Trust issue she got, only sipping Ciroc. Spent more than she made, now she doesn't like what she bought. Stressing over the luxurious things, but all the diamonds in the world doesn't make up a queen. Call me 19 times tonight, don't tell me you're fine. You got a beautiful smile, what a perfect disguise.
What's up, y'all? It's your AV Queen Celestina back on the YouTube scene. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. And if you're a new person watching by the end of this video, you're gonna want to click that button, okay? As you can tell by the title, today's look is a mint chocolate chip, okay? Because I keep it sweet. It's so pretty. I feel so feminine. I feel soft. It's all well put together, okay? So if you want to know how I achieved this look, I suggest you keep on watching. Last look for the green series. It was real, it was fun, and it's time for it to be done. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the primer with some e.l.f. hydrating primer on my face. I've been using this e.l.f. primer lately, and let me tell you, it has been making my skin look so smooth. It's so good. I'm mad I didn't get the tall bottle. Y'all already know we're about to start the results. So we starting off with that NYX Jumbo eyeliner. I'm just gonna brush this all over my brows. To achieve my green brows look, I'm just gonna take my Cara Beauty Beach Days palette, and I'm gonna use this green at the bottom, and we're gonna really pack that all over our brow. Now you can do this with an eyebrow base, you can do this with concealer, however you want to do it, you know what I'm saying. You can glue your brows down and cover it up with concealer however you feel like you want to do your brows. To conceal my brows, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm gonna use it in the shade White and Fair Rose. I'm gonna mix the two. I'm probably gonna put, you know, most of the white at the bottom, obviously, and then match my skin tone at the top. That's how we do it. Take that concealer up into your brow. Make sure you take it way. Now, if you're not used to doing it, be careful, because you could literally take away your whole brow. You might start over. But I'm used to doing it now, so I know, you know, look at the wrist. But you just want to take it and you just want to slightly push in that concealer in the front of your brow, very airbrush light. And that's how you're gonna get your gradient effect. We're finna start this eyeshadow, so I'll show y'all this palette though right quick. This is what it look like. I'm gonna show y'all the colors. The colors are really, like, really nice. It's really nice. I really love the color range. The color scheme is just beautiful. I've already used it, and I definitely want to use it today, but I had to just make a debut because it was a really good palette. So I'm about to go into this Javia's Place Zooey palette, and I'm going in with this brown shade right here. I'm just gonna pack that down, starting on my outer corner. I'm just gonna pack it down. I'm gonna slightly bring it in, and I'm gonna just slowly start to buff that out. Very light, very gentle. So I'm gonna be educational today. Well, I didn't really want the edges to be sharp yet. Like, I really didn't want that. I really just want the edges to be kind of buffed out, you know. It really doesn't have to be so sharp and formal, you know what I mean. Just want it really buffed out around the edges of the eyeshadow. That's really all I'm trying to achieve here, is something like that. Yeah, quickly on the eye edge. And I really like this color too. And while you're applying your eyeshadow, you kind of want to use buffing lotions as well. The lashes I'm going to be using, these are the, where are these? These are the I Envy 3 collection lashes in the style 111. So yeah, we're going to use this today. I like to put glue on the lash, and I like to put glue on my actual lash line. Just a little thin line across. There's a thin line between love and hate. Pop these bad boys on, start this face. I'm kind of feeling these. Okay, wait. I can literally cry. Like, I'm sorry, when a look comes out the way you want it, it's just, it's such a happy moment. So we're gonna go on with the face. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Hydrated Pro Filter foundation. And y'all, she is discontinued with these, but why? I need to know why, because this was literally my favorite. I think I'm finding out that I have combination skin, because my T-zone can get very like sweaty. My nose, like right in here, can get very sweaty very quickly at an instant. Any heat inconvenience, I'm literally popping sweat on my nose. And so I had to literally like constantly do a powder check on my nose, all this other stuff, like some real white chick stuff. So I really think I'm combination skin. Y'all know me, I'm a dewy girl. I like a dewy satin type of finish on my face. I don't like anything that's matte. I like to use a brush first and then I go back over it with my beauty blender. It's to smooth any streaks, anything that's not blended. Let's go in with the Fenty Beauty Contour Matchstick in the shade Truffle. When it comes to contour, I like to blend up a little bit. Just to blend up on my cheek. It's okay if we start off a little harsh. It's alright because we're gonna apply concealer right after. To avoid messing up your brows, take a smaller brush to blend around your forehead. Let's go ahead and apply the concealer to the face. I like to use 2 shades, one that matches my skin tone and one that's way brighter than my skin tone. So we have that bright highlighted under eye. This e.l.f. concealer dries down really quick. I'm gonna go back over those contoured edges just to bring back that color that the concealer washed out. So now it's time to set the face, and we're gonna set our face today with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Okay, I'm gonna set the contour today. You know we're gonna be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Private Island. Something I'm trying to be on in the near future, real soon. Mark my words on this video. Remember to blend up in circular motion. Let me wipe this on a little bit. I'm using the Milani blush in the shade Coral Cove. Applying blush. I'm gonna start in front of my eye. I'm gonna work my way up so we can kind of have that natural facelift. Let's go ahead and do bottom eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use a little bit of setting spray. I don't know about y'all, but I can literally tell the difference when I put on setting spray. It's just, it really makes everything set in place how it's supposed to. I'm in with this Makeup Revolution Pro HD highlighter palette, and it has a beautiful green shade at the bottom here. Ooh, yeah. So classic for this world, forever I'm the girl. So now we're just gonna do the lips. So, and this is the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Unveil. Oh my god, I love this look so much, y'all. I'm going to put the concealer in the middle. You set it with this eyeshadow. You can also set it with this translucent powder. I kind of want to add that highlighter to my lip somehow, just to kind of make it fluorescent. I don't want to add gloss. I kind of just want to keep it like this. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, you're a real queen, you're a real OG, and I appreciate you for that. So while you're here, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And on your way out, don't forget to embrace, showcase, and beat your face. Wow.
Trust issues she got, only sipping Ciroc. Spent more than she made, now she doesn't like what she bought. Stressing over the luxurious things, but all the diamonds in the world doesn't make up a queen. Call me 19 times tonight, don't tell me you're fine. You got a beautiful smile, but a